Welcome to Fluent Academy. Are you preparing for IELTS Writing Task 2 and looking for tips on vocabulary for environment-related topics? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to help you improve your writing by learning essential vocabulary that will boost your score. Let's focus on words that you can use to talk about the environment effectively. So, let's dive in with our first word. Our first word is sustainability. This refers to meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Synonyms: eco-friendliness, green energy, sustainable development. Example with compound sentence. Sustainability is crucial for our future, and governments must take action to protect the environment. Example with complex sentence. Sustainability involves not only protecting the environment but also promoting renewable resources to reduce our dependency on fossil fuels. Our next word is deforestation. Deforestation refers to the large-scale removal of forests for agricultural purposes, urban development, or logging. Synonyms: forest clearing, tree felling. Example with compound sentence. Deforestation is a significant environmental issue and it threatens biodiversity across the world. Example with complex sentence. Although deforestation is primarily driven by human activities, it also accelerates climate change by reducing the number of trees that absorb carbon dioxide. Next, we have biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, including animals, plants, and microorganisms in an ecosystem. Synonyms: ecological diversity, biological variety. Example with compound sentence. Biodiversity is essential for maintaining ecosystem balance, and it plays a critical role in agricultural productivity. Example with complex sentence. To preserve biodiversity, it is necessary to protect natural habitats and prevent human activities that cause the extinction of species. Our fourth word is pollution. Pollution refers to the introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment, resulting in damage to air, water, and soil. Synonyms: contamination, environmental degradation. Example with compound sentence. Pollution affects the health of humans and animals, and it contributes to global warming. Example with complex sentence. Pollution, which is caused by industrial activities and excessive plastic use, poses significant risks to both the environment and human health. Let's talk about renewable energy. Renewable energy comes from natural resources like wind, solar, and hydro that are replenished naturally and are sustainable. Synonyms: green energy, clean energy. Example with compound sentence. Renewable energy sources are growing in popularity, and they are crucial in reducing carbon emissions. Example with complex sentence. Renewable energy not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions but also ensures a sustainable and clean source of power for the future. Next is overpopulation. Overpopulation happens when the number of people exceeds the capacity of the environment to support them. Synonyms: population explosion, crowded cities. Example with compound sentence. Overpopulation leads to increased demand for resources, and it can cause environmental damage. Example with complex sentence. Overpopulation strains resources like water and food, and it can lead to environmental degradation, especially in urban areas. Now, let's discuss climate change. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns, primarily due to human activities like burning fossil fuels. Synonyms: global warming, greenhouse effect. Example with compound sentence. Climate change is affecting weather patterns, and it is leading to more frequent natural disasters. Example with complex sentence. Climate change, caused by human activities such as deforestation and carbon emissions, is having a profound impact on ecosystems and human societies. Next, we have conservation. Conservation is the protection and preservation of natural resources, including wildlife and forests. Synonyms: preservation, protection. Example with compound sentence. Conservation efforts are essential for protecting endangered species, and they help maintain ecosystem stability. Example with complex sentence. Conservation is not only about preserving wildlife but also ensuring sustainable use of natural resources for future generations. Our next word is greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect occurs when greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming. Synonyms: global warming, climate change. Example with compound sentence. The greenhouse effect is accelerating climate change, and it poses risks to both the environment and human health. Example with complex sentence. While the greenhouse effect is a natural process, human activities like burning fossil fuels have intensified it, leading to rapid climate change. Our final word is ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their environment. Synonyms: biological community, habitat. Example with compound sentence. Ecosystems provide essential services, and they help maintain the balance of nature. Example with complex sentence. An ecosystem is a delicate network of species, and if one part of it is disrupted, it can have devastating effects on the entire system. Now, let's test your knowledge. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from today's lesson. Leave your answers in the comments below, and let's see how many you got right. Today, we learned 10 powerful vocabulary words that will help you improve your IELTS Writing Task 2 essays, especially for environment-related topics. By using these words, you'll enhance the quality and academic tone of your writing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS writing tips. And leave a comment with your favorite word from today's lesson. See you next time.